sit comfortably, close your eyes gently, and breathe in deeply. Take a moment just to focus on your breath. Think about something that truly matters to you in your life. It could be family, nature, time with friends, altruistic actions. There are likely a lot of values you have. But for now, just pick one and visualize this value. What kind of imagery does this conjure up in your mind's eye? Allow your mind to paint this picture vividly. Feel how this value resonates deeply within you. Now allow yourself to explore how this value can shape your actions and decisions. Bring your focus to the day ahead of you. Imagine how your value that you're thinking about might shape your day in terms of your actions and decisions, your reactions to things that might disrupt your day. I'm going to leave a moment of silence so that you can connect to this inner purpose, living in alignment with your true self. Okay, now bring your focus back to your surroundings, the present moment. Open your eyes slowly and feel inspired and clear about your path forward today. Remember, you can return to this meditation at any time and focus on a different value. Thank you for joining me, and if this has been helpful, I would love to know in the comment section.